Danelfin Review. Danelfin revolutionizes stock investing with its AI-powered analytics, evaluating over 900 indicators for insights on stocks and ETFs. AI scores from 1 to 10 predict stock performance, making it easier to choose investments likely to beat the market, and you can even try for free or get 25% off the Pro plans by signing up with the link in the description. Danelfin's tools empower investors at all levels, offering portfolio management features and clear explanations of stock score factors. Its AI examines over 10,000 daily stock features, merging technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis for precise predictions. Real-time trading insights and historical data back the platform's predictive accuracy, enhancing investment decisions. Secure with daily updates, Danelfin ensures investors are informed, making it essential for optimizing investment strategies. Remember, you can try Danelfin for free or get 25% off the paid plans by using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like Danelfin Review. See you next time.